All right, hello everybody. So tonight I'm going to talk about Adaptavist's Enterprise AddOns. I'm going to be talking about 3 plugins or add-ons in particular. And those are plugins and add-ons that you can use to improve and enhance the user experience of Atlassian products. So first of all, a little bit about my most favourite subject, which is me. So I'm Emma Rush, and I'm a consultant and project manager at Adaptavist. So I'm based in Munich, but I also work out of our London office and also out in the States. So there's my email address and my Twitter handle, if you like to use Twitter and you'd like to follow me, and I'll follow you back. So let's move on to a quick agenda. I'm going to look at 3 of our plugins or add-ons. We're going to look at Theme Builder, Content Formatting, and Umbrella Single Sign-On. I'm aware I've only got 10 minutes here, so I'm going to speak very quickly. I'll try and make my English clear. I can speak German, but I didn't want to punish your ears with my very bad German accent. So I'll stick with my northern British accent instead, which I'm very good at. So Adaptavists have got a very long history and sort of a deep pedigree with add-ons and plugins. We've developed over 100 plugins for thousands of clients across the 8 years we've been developing plugins for the Atlassian Products suite. We've got over 30 free and paid plugins that are available right now on the marketplace, and that's more plugins in the marketplace than any other Atlassian partner. Theme Builder was the first commercially available plugin, which we wrote. I don't know, does anybody here actually use Adaptavist products? Is there anybody in the room who's using our plugins? Cool, that's interesting to know. Thank you. And we were actually the author of the very first plugin manager. So the plugin manager that you see within Confluence that you use to manage your plugins, we authored the first version of that and passed it to Atlassian. And we see a lot of repeat business. We get a lot of downloads from the plugins. We get over 200 every day downloaded from the marketplace. So we've got a lot of history in the plugin add-on ecosystem. So we've got sort of generally 4 areas of plugins, 4 areas of general content that we cover. There's content and theming, so I'm going to be talking about 2 of those tonight. We've got Theme Builder and Content Formatting. Security and Administration, which I'll be covering, which are Umbrella Single Sign-On. Collaboration and Community, so I don't know, there's some people who might have used our Forums plugins and also our Community Bubbles plugins. And then we've got an Enterprise Search plugin and other plugins that deal with searching. So just to start off with, I'll talk about Theme Builder 5. So what Theme Builder 5 does is it sits as a sort of veneer on top of Confluence and allows you to sort of harness the power of Confluence and extend that and create a wiki so that you can use it, have your users interact with it in exactly the way that you want them to. So how does Theme Builder do this? And it does it by allowing you to edit user interface items. So you can take a user interface item and you can either remove it or you can take it and put it somewhere else within the layout. It also extends Confluence with over 40 macros, which allow you to do a lot of different things with your interface in Confluence. For example, you can show or hide content according to your user group that you belong to. Also, you can build heavy customized menus. One thing that we found is that a lot of clients want to make sure that people are able to find the content that they need to very quickly, and they do that by building up these navigation structures. And you can do that in Theme Builder. And you can also build a completely different design so it looks nothing like Confluence, and so it matches with your corporate design regulations and requirements. So lots of people use Theme Builder in different ways, and this is an example of one of our clients who uses Theme Builder from Amplify. They use to support their products. So they use Confluence so that there are some areas that are accessible by their company, and there's a space that's accessible via the outside world. But what they do is they use Theme Builder to hide elements of that they don't want the public to see. So some of the benefits of Theme Builder. What you can do is the very base theme that comes with Theme Builder looks like Confluence 5, and you can very easily move those interface items around. So, for example, a lot of people like to remove this help menu. And one way you can do that is by using Theme Builder. And what we do with Theme Builder is we separate out the user interface into these panels. So you can see this is the header panel. And you just go and find the area. So in this case, it's the AUI help area here. And you can remove that, or you can pick it up and place it somewhere else within the layout. So as you can see here, we've removed that. And all of that was built using HTML5. So if you want to have somebody you work with to modify your layout, all they need to know is some HTML5, HTML, some CSS, and they can completely change the way Confluence looks. So this is another theme that's available, is going to be available soon. You can use this within Theme Builder. It's for free, comes with a product. So we totally changed the navigation there, and we've also using one of the macros that comes with Confluence, the carousel at the top there. And what you do here is you can get your end users to focus on exactly the content that you want them to see. So if there's important content, you have it right on the dashboard and they can find it straight away. So that's Theme Builder. We've also got content formatting. And what that does is it gives you additional user interface items to make your content much easier to use. Content formatting macros has been for a long time the most downloaded plugin, and so it has a lot of free macros that a lot of people use, used by thousands of people across the world. What we've done is actually extend that and have some premium options. So there's still those free macros are still there, but we have this very reasonably priced premium options as well. And they really allow you to extend your wiki and the way that your users interact with it with some awesome user interface features. And one of the benefits here is that they match exactly with the rest of the user interface that comes with Confluence. So you can separate your content out using these tabs at the top. These just comes with very simple macros that you can use, copy and paste the content in, and separate it out into tabs. So you've got tabs at the top, tabs on the left-hand side, and also you've got these tabs. You can set up these navigation bars too. Those are just 3 of the macros that come with content formatting premium. Another of our plugins is Adaptavist Umbrella SSO plugin, and what that does is it boosts productivity and efficiency by allowing people to access all of your Atlassian applications without actually having to log in more than once. You just log onto the network and then you can access your Atlassian application. So generally what we find is that people have to log into their network, they get access to some software, but they have to log in again via the browser to get access Jira, log in again via Confluence. So you might say, well, there's crowd, and there is, but it's a similar sort of thing. You have to log in, and then you have to log into Jira, and then you're logged into Confluence automatically, but you still have to do that login process. And what Umbrella does is it uses the web server to implement an authentication protocol, which then passes the user credentials to the Atlassian application. So all you have to do is log in to your network, and then you're logged in to the whole of your Atlassian suite. So this currently supports Apache, as is the most popular web server, but there are a number of additional integrations that are being included in the product roadmap. And one of the benefits of Umbrella SSO is that it fits with your identity and access management infrastructure. So if you're using Microsoft Active Directory, that's fine, it fits exactly with you. You don't have to fit with it, it will fit with you. So this is one example implementation, but there are many different sorts. So if you're using Google authentication, it will fit with that too. So what it means is there are there's less time spent retrieving your lost passwords. Your help desk won't have to spend time supporting those users who have to keep forgetting their passwords and usernames. They won't keep asking for that. And they'll never ever have to log into Jira and Confluence again. Just log into the network and boom, you're in your Atlassian application. So those are 3 of our Enterprise add-ons. That's just 3. As I say, there's 30 available on the marketplace. Theme Builder, content formatting, Umbrella, SSO, all improving or enhancing your end users' usage of Atlassian products. If you want to know more about any of our products, you can keep in touch there via the website, email, Twitter, or via LinkedIn or Zing. And that's it. I've done it in 10 minutes. Thank you very much.